everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video we have the brand new Glam Bag Ultimate. Right here we have it. Ooh, 12 products, $50. I canceled everything else from Ipsy. I hope that this one is better. Let's open it and see what it is. Alright, so let's start by the box. It's much bigger. It's already messed up. Something happened in the shipping. So let's know. Look at that part. Hopefully everything is intact in there. It says to you, from you. Nice. Let's open this one and see what it has inside. Basically, it says that they're gonna let you pick one of the products of this bag for the next month, and the rest of the products are gonna be picked for you by the test that they give you before. You should fill that up before any of these boxes are sent to you, otherwise they don't really know what you like and what you don't like. But anyways, let's open this one and see what it has in here and how much is this, and let's talk about this. So the first product that I see here is by Makeup Geek, and I never had tried this product before or anything by this brand, so this is a really good brand to get in this box because I never had tried it before, and like that I get to know it. And I'm sorry if you listen to this noise in the background. Hopefully you can catch it. But every time that I try to record something, these people outside decide to do something. I don't know what it is. This is a highlighter by Makeup Geek. And I'm not going to keep it because I have a lot of highlighters right now that I'm trying to go through it. I more like gold highlighters than this type. And even more than the pink one. So I am like a gold highlighter kind of girl, so this one is gonna go for a giveaway probably for the next month. Or actually I could do a giveaway this month. Let's see how many products we collect for a giveaway. And this is a hydrating primer by the brand Love Color, and this is a little sample, but I still won't keep it because it's hydrating. As you know, I have a combo skin, so I need a more mattifying primer, so this one is gonna go for the giveaway also. The next product that we have here is this by the brand Betty Boot times Ipsy. So this is a collaboration. This is a chic to chic blush palette, so it's a bunch of blushes, and I really like these palettes when they have highlighter and bronzers. I do love face palettes more than anything else in the world, basically in the world of makeup. So this is how the packaging looks like, and it's very pretty, compact and beautiful. I really like it, and the colors look very pretty too. Actually, they look very, very cute. I already have something similar to this from the brand Ofra, so, and it was Ofra times Madison Miller, so that one I'm keeping it. Obviously I use it already, so this one I'm gonna put it for the giveaway because I already have something similar concept. Probably the colors are different, but those ones are very pretty, and this one's too. So this one is gonna go for the giveaway too. Now we have here the Biores Hydrating Treatment Serum, and this is something that I'm gonna keep. I love hydrating serums. I love them, I love them, I love them. This says apply a small amount of the serum entire face for ultimate hydrating that it lasts all day. Avoid eye area. That's funny. It's for all type of skin, so this is something that I really like and enjoy, this type of things. So I'm gonna keep this one. So I'm gonna keep it. Let's see the consistency. It's probably very light. Most of these products are very light, specifically when they are for all type of skins. So let's see the consistency. I was right. It's a very light consistency. It has a pump, and it feels very hydrating. Oh my god. And it smells super good. I love it. The Farah brushes. Farah, I think that's how you say it. These ones are cruelty-free, vegan, and they are basically face brushes. So I'm gonna be adding this also to the giveaway. Even though I love brushes, but I wanna give you some brushes. With the next product, there is a Huda Beauty, and I don't know who brought this before. I think it was similar to this one in the previous Ipsy. I'm not sure, I don't remember. But this one is Obsession Eyeshadow Palette in Warmth Brown. So let's see if I can open it and we can look at it, but it's going to be on the giveaway also. Let's look at it. It's pretty. It's so pretty. But this again reminds me a lot of my Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, so I don't want to keep repeating the same color things in my collection, and my collection is big, so I'm going to be sharing this one with you guys. And the next product is a pharmacy. I already hold this thing like maybe 6 months ago, and I already use it. I actually planning on making a product that I already use up completely 100%, and this product is one of them. And I don't love it, I don't hate it. I haven't tried many clean balms, so I'm not sure, but I think I like this one more than the Clinique, and that's the one that I'm using right now. I'm definitely gonna save this one for when I finish with my Clinique. And it's funny because I was thinking of buying it, so now I don't have to. That's actually nice. There you go. I have already a replacement for the one that I already finished. Like a skincare is kind of like something that I'm like, okay, for me. Next, we have 2 masks, and I am horrible with this. I want to do this every day, like every day. I would love to have a mask every day if I could. These ones are by the brand The Seam. They're natural avocado and shea butter masks. So sorry guys, I'm keeping them. I love face masks so much. We have a funny name here. We have a Papa Recipe. Papa Recipe, what is that? Papa Recipe little sample. This is an A-Plant Cleansing Mud Cream Mask. And I've been using a couple of masks, cleansing masks and everything. So I don't know if I should put this in the giveaway. I don't like to give you too many little things, especially like this, because then you're gonna like, oh my god, one more, you know. I'm gonna add it to the giveaway just because I have already a few of them that I'm working on, and it's kind of the same concept. So it's mud, so I'm just gonna put this one in the giveaway for you. And we have here a lip product, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's a lip gloss. This is by the brand CS Moi Beauty. It gives you shimmer, but it has organic oils that nurture your skin on your lips. So this is something very interesting. I actually like the concept. I'm gonna put this on the giveaway too. Now we have a little cream here by the brand Sela. This is a very best cream. That's basically the name. The Velvety Rich Body Cream is infused with a potent blend of 6 Canadian botanical and nurturing antioxidants, vitamins, and omega acids to boost your skin resilience. So basically, it's a body cream. I'm just gonna put it on the giveaway too. It's a little bit crooked, but it's not open. So I'm just gonna put it in the giveaway. I have a bunch of little creams right now that I'm been using too. So I wanna finish with those and then move on with the next ones when I get them like in these boxes. But for now, I'm just gonna give you this one for you. And last but not least, we have a Colored Radiance Cosmetic eyeshadow in the Champagne Life. So this is an eyeshadow, little champagne. So probably you can use it also as a highlighter. Probably. This kind of things always you can use it as a highlighter. There you go. Yeah, I will definitely use something like this as a highlighter. I'm not gonna touch it because I also gonna put it in the giveaway. So let's recap a little bit. I'm gonna be putting on the giveaway this little eyeshadow, the body cream, the lips little product. This is a lip gloss. I didn't mention it before, but I'm also gonna put this little bag. This is the Ipsy bag for this month. Very cute, actually. I like it. And I also going to be putting these brushes by the brand Farah. I'll be putting this little product here. There is a A-Plant Clearing Mud Cream Mask. I'm gonna be putting these blushes. This is the Betty Boot times Ipsy. Also going to give you the Huda Beauty eyeshadows and the hydrating primer. I think I already have this. I haven't even tried it. I think so, but I'm gonna put that one in the giveaway. And also this highlighter by the brand Makeup Geek. I'm keeping this pharmacy product. I really like it. I used only 3 cleansing balms before this one, and the one that I like the most so far is this one. I'm using right now Clinique, as I said before, but I still like this one better. So I'm keeping that. I'm also keeping this serum. This is a hydrating serum, and I love serums. I love hydrating serums, so I'm gonna keep this one. And I also gonna keep the masks. Basically everything for the skin. I love masks. I'm gonna put down below in the description box how to enter to the giveaway, but basically you have to subscribe to the channel, give a like to this video, make a comment. You have to also follow me on Instagram, make a comment on the post that is gonna be showing this giveaway. And also down below I'm gonna be putting when this giveaway is gonna be announced. I normally announce all my giveaways on my Instagram, but I also update the description box putting the name of the person who win the giveaway. I hope that you liked this video, and please, if you did, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!